Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. We'll be starting the session for the Game Changer series PYQs. This is for class 10 boards. Pre-boards, obviously, these are about to come pre-boards, right? I guess in 5 or 10 days, you must be having every one of you your pre-board exams, right? So this lecture is especially for those students who are actually weak in mathematics and are looking for something good questions so that we can do and we just cope up with our board exams. Okay, so we'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. Till then, kindly share it with all your friends. Spread the word that we at Matholics are having this kind of classes. Okay, and would prefer if you solve each and every question along with me. Don't let me to wait so long just for copying, right? Start copying along with me only. Okay, so we'll be starting the session in next 30 seconds. Am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, hello, good evening. Am I clearly audible and visible? Yes, sir. Yes, audible, audible. Okay, so let's count 3, 2, and 1. This is the amazing session for Game Changer PYQs for pre-boards, class 10th, Maths 2025. Right. So, first question for today is this one. An observer 1.8 meter tall stands away from a chimney at a distance of 38.2 meters along the ground. The angle of elevation of top of chimney from the eyes of the observer is 45 degrees. The height of the chimney above the ground is what? You need not to read like this. Read slowly. Hai slowly and steadily will make you win this game. Okay. Slowly and steadily. Slowly and steadily. Now see how to solve this one. How to solve this one. An observer 1.8 meter tall stands away from a chimney at a distance of this. That means, let's say this is the observer. This is the observer, 1.8 meter tall. Okay. And this observer is standing at a distance of 38.2 meter along the ground from a chimney. Yes, there is a chimney. Okay. At a distance of 38.2 meters on the ground along the road. The angle of elevation of the top of chimney from the eyes of the observer. Obviously, eyes will be here. Yes or no? Angle of elevation of the top of the chimney would mean this eye is looking upwards. This eye is looking upwards. Okay. So this will be the chimney. This will be the chimney. Got the point? Chimney will be obviously higher than the eye of the observer, right? So this is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation of the top of chimney. Top of chimney. This is the top of chimney. Yes, sir. From the eye of observer would mean is 45 degree. This is, so this, if you join, this angle is 45 degree. Yes or no? The height of the chimney above the ground is what? Let's say this height you have to find out. This height you have to find out. Okay. So how to do this? How to do this? Hmm. If this is halwa, where is your answer, buddy? Hmm? It happens. It happens. Happens. Don't worry. It happens. So how to find? See, if this is 45 degree, this is 38.2. So this is also 38.2 meter. This one. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is this, if this is 1.8, so this is also 1.8 meter. Yes or no? So you just have to find this height. Let's say this is x. Let's say this is x. Now in this smaller triangle, if you apply trigonometry in this smaller triangle, which just I have shaded this. So tan 45 degree will be equals to tan 45 degree will be perpendicular upon base. Obviously for this is 90 degree. This is perpendicular. So it is x. What is base? Base is 38.2. What's the value of tan 45 degree? Anyone in the comments? What's the value of tan 45 degree? It's 1. So x equals to 38.2 meters. But you have to find the height of chimney above the ground. It will be total 1.8 plus x. Total height will be 1.8 plus x. That means 1.8 plus 38.2 would mean this will be 40 meters. Answer. Copy it. Next 30 seconds and I'll be moving forward. Copy it, copy it, copy it, and I'll be moving forward fast. So this is question number 1 for today's series. Along the series, this is question number 13th. Already one class is done yesterday. Those who haven't watched may watch. Question number 13th answer is 40 meters, 40. Got the point? I think a big yes. Sorted. Can we move forward? If done, Okay, let's move forward to another question. Next question for today. This is in the adjoining figure. The sum of radii of two concentric circles is 16 centimeters. That means if smaller circle is having radius small r, capital R will be for larger circle. The sum of radii means capital R plus small r equals to 16 centimeter. It is given. Now what we have to find out? What we have to find out? Just look for the data. Just look for the data. The length of the chord AB which touches the inner circle at P is 16. This is 16. This is also 16. The length of what? Length of chord AB which touches the inner circle at P. This length is 16. Okay, sir. This complete length is 16. Okay. The difference of the radii of the given circle is what? That means you have to find out R minus, yes, this you have to find out. If you can connect this circle with this and connect this radii with this one will be capital R. Yes, sir. This one will be small r, and this is what? If this is 16, this will be 8. Okay. So in this triangle, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So h square you'll write p square plus b square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So h square is what? Was perpendicular? R, capital R. What is perpendicular? It is small r square. What is base square? It's 8 square, right? So r square come on the left side. So r square minus small r square equals to 64. Till here, if any problem, you can tell me in the comments fast. Okay. So do not forget to like everyone. This is Matholics and we are for you. So this will be a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Capital R plus small r and capital R minus small r. Gonna be equals to 64. Now we have been given value of this. So we'll put the value here. So capital R plus small r is 16. 16 bracket capital R minus small r. That's equals to 64. So capital R minus small r will be what? 64 by 16, which come out to be 4. Right? So 4 is my answer. Capital R minus small r. 4 will be the answer. Option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer. Go on fast. Answer will be 4 centimeter. Option number B. Option number B, 4 centimeter. Correct answer. Copy it. 1 minute for you. Increase your speed. Increase your speed. This is the only way you can cope up with your exams. Many students actually miss their question paper sections, especially those 4 5 marks questions. They miss. Why is it so? Just because of speed. Nothing else. Just because of speed. Fast, fast, fast. Start copying fast. If done, then tell me. Move your pens fast. We have to do section B also. This is CBSE question paper set 1, 30/5/1 from 2025. This year. This year, yeah. This is said to be the toughest one. I don't think what is tough in this question paper. Okay, next. Question number 15. Let's take it from there. I'll give the link for this. Don't worry. Question number 15 this here. Many of you must have. I've already shared with so many students, but if you don't have, we'll be sharing it on our Telegram handle. Okay. Okay. Question number 50. Done. Now, look for the question. What question says? A cone of height 12 centimeter and slant height 13 centimeter. A cone is there having height this. You must mark like this. Is surmounted on a hemisphere. That means this is a hemisphere and a cone is surmounted over to this. Okay. Having radius equal to that of cone, having radius equal to that of cone, that means their radius is same, r. Okay, next, the entire height of the solid is what? You have to find this height. Okay, entire height of the solid. This is solid toy or solid figure, whatever. Cone of height 12 centimeter. This cone is having a height of h equals to 12 centimeters. Okay, that means if this is radius, this is also going to be radius. So we have to find radius. We'll add it in 12 and we'll get the answer. So how to get the radius? Tell me. Slant height is given. Slant height is 13, means this 13. It is 13. This is equals to L. Yes or no? So we know that L square is what? Yes. We know that perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. What is perpendicular in this case? Anyone in the comments? What is perpendicular upon base? Anyone? Perpendicular and base. Perpendicular will be this one, base will be this one. So 12 square plus small r square equals 13 square. So small r square equals to 13 square, 169 minus 12 square will be 144. So r square is nothing but 25. So r is gonna be equals to what? 5 centimeters. So total height of the solid is what? Total height, this one. That means h 12 plus r means 5. That is 17 centimeters is my final answer. Mark it and we can move forward. Copy it ASAP. Copy it. Copy, copy, copy. This is the actual speed which you must have in your exams. This question is actually worth of only 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. So you have to follow the speed. 1 minute only. Do not think that you can spare 10 minutes or 25 minutes for a 1 mark question. Okay. So you need to write. So write it fast now. That is the main problem. Try to write fast. Other students are also doing. You must increase your speed. Only 1 mark question. What were you doing when I was writing? Copy, copy. Come on fast. That's the reason many students actually lack, in fact, in completing the paper also. They cannot complete the question paper. Okay. Increase your speed. This is the only way. 17 centimeters the answer. Next question number 16. Every one of you know the empirical formula. What is the empirical formula? Anyone? This question is based on empirical formula. If x median plus y mean equals to z mode, what is the empirical relationship between mean, median, and mode? Then the value of x plus y plus z is what? Right? You have been given that x median, okay, plus y mean is equals to z mode. Okay. One of our tricks actually have gone viral also last year for this particular topic only, that how to actually remember this empirical formula. How to remember this empirical formula. See, you must remember like this, that 1 mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so 1 mode equals to this. Now 1 mode, here it's given. Got my point? What I'm trying to say? 1 mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. And what's given? Z mode. You write it here. Z mode. Okay. Is equals to X median. I'll write X median plus Y mean. Okay. You must actually remember like this. 1 equals to 3 minus 2. 3 median and 2 mean. You guys are too mean. You do not share the links with your friends. Only you want to study hard. No one else must study. You're not sharing. I can see this. You are too mean, selfish people. Okay. So this is the trick. 1 equals to 3 minus 2. You know that 3 minus 2 is 1. So this way you have to remember this is the empirical formula. Now this is written in this form. So x plus y plus z would mean we have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay, this way you have to find out. So how to find out? Tell me. How to find out? Z will be what? 1. What will be x? It is 3. What is y? Y will be minus 2. So z equals to 1, x equals to 3, y equals to minus 2. Just put in this values. That's it. So z is 1, it is 1. X is 3, it is 3. Y is minus 2, it's minus 2. 3 minus 2 plus 1, that means 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 2 is my answer for x plus y plus z. Now you can copy 1 minute for this. Now you can copy 1 minute for this. Try to share. 16, option number A, 2 is correct. Option number C, sorry, 2 is correct. Question number 16, option number C. Okay, let's move forward for next question. This is C on option number 17. Hmm. Following data shows the marks obtained by 100 students in a class test. Marks obtained are this, number of students is this. The median will be average of which of the two observations, right? So formula for median, anyone? Anyone. If anyone wants, what is the median? How to find median? Anyone? This is marks obtained, so this will be xi and this will be fi. What is median actually? Tell me. Yes, obviously, arrange them in increasing order, right? So 20, 29, whatever, we'll write like this. 20, first is 20, then this done, right? Then 28, then 29, 28, then 29, then tell me 20, 28, 29, then 33, yes or no? Yes, this is done. Then 38, then 42, then 43, and then what is 25? Here it will be 25, 20 comma 25, right? So following data shows the marks obtained by 100 students in a class. The number of students are this. It is given frequency wise. You tell me. This is oral question. I'm not going to do. I'm not going to do. That was the empirical formula. That was the empirical formula. Question says, see. Again, I'm reading. Let me sit. This is oral question. How to do? You guys must tell me. Following data shows the marks obtained by 100 students in a class test. The median will be the average of which of two observations? 29 and 33, 25 and 28, 28 and 29, like that. Try. I'm taking 1 minute break. Let me have some water. Yes, you have to first arrange. Okay, arrange them in ascending order. Then arrange them in ascending order. Make the cumulative frequency table. Anyone with the answers? Yes, 28 and 29. Obviously, 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 obviously. Yes. Okay, I'm glad at least you are able to do this. You must make the table like this in at least in this vertical order. You must write first 20 xi, then after 20 it will be 25. Yes, after 20 it will be 25. Okay, let's mark 20 we have done, 25 we have done, then 29. Okay, 29, no, 28, 28, 28, then 29, ascending order, 28, then 29, done. Then 33, 38, 33, 38, then 42 and 43. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, tell me how to do this. How you found out? Tell me. How 28 and 29, how 29 and 33, how actually you are going to lead with this. See, now write the frequencies Fi. Okay, you must make a table like this. Okay, start making table, neat and clean table. See, every MCQ is not worth of only 40 seconds or 1 minute. It can take 2 to 3 minutes also. That's why I say if you are doing, try to do everything so fast that at least you are able to solve this. Now, Fi is what? Frequency 20 is 6, then 25. For 25, it's 20. Then 28, it's 24. 29, it's 28. 33, it's 15. Then 38, it's 4. 42, where is 42? 42, it's 2. 43, it's 1. Tell me what will be the cumulative frequency. Write down and tell me in the comments fast. Tell me in the comments fast. This is 6, 20, 24, 28, 15, 4, 2, and 1. Check whether I have written correct or no. Yes, you have to make cumulative. Cumulative. Yes, yes, yes. Try to make the cumulative frequency. This will be 6. This will be 20 and 6, 26. 26, 24, 50. Then 50, 78. 78 and 15. 93. Yes or no? 93, 4, 97. 97 to 99. And it is 100. Right. So 100 n. Total is 100. So check for n by 2. Half of that is 50. Right. 50. So it is the, this is I have to focus on. Right. So average will be what? Yes, 50th and 51st term. So 50th term is what? 20th. 50th term is 28. And what is 51st term? Tell me. 51st term is what? It is 29. So we have to take average of Median will be average of 28 and 29. That means 28 plus 29 by 2. That is, okay, it will be fair enough. 28.5, writing directly. Right. So 28 and 29. Option number C. And answer will be 28.5. Sorted? Sorted. Can we move forward? Yes or no? Got the point? See, every question actually marks for something different. Okay. Step 3, determine the median observations. Obviously, yes, Jatin Sharma, very nice. Exactly correct. I need these kind of answers, the type which Jatin is typing in the comments. Okay. You must actually, if you interact with me, I'll be more than happy to tell you what actually you must deserve other than this to learn. Okay. Sorted? Yes or no? Anyone wants to copy? 1 minute for this. अरे भाई नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इवन है ना बच्चे, आप समझे नहीं। आप देखो टोटल 100 टर्म्स। देखो सुनो, टोटल कितनी है? टोटल 100 टर्म्स है, ठीक है, 100 टर्म्स है। ओके, अगर 101 टर्म्स होती तो हम बोलते 50th टर्म हमारा आंसर हो जाता, जिसका क्यूमुलेटिव 50, हमारा आंसर 28 हो जाता। लेकिन यहां बोल रहा है कि 101 टर्म है भैया, 101 टर्म। राइट, समझ में? 101 टर्म्स होता तो ऐसा करते, सॉरी, लेकिन यहां बोल रहा है देयर आर 100 टर्म्स। हाउ मेनी टर्म्स? 100 टर्म्स। तो 100/2 कर दो। 100/2 मतलब 50th टर्म। एक तो 50th टर्म हो गया एंड एक हो जाएगा 51st टर्म। अरे भाई मिडिल टर्म ऑफ एपी नहीं निकालते थे क्या? 50वीं टर्म कौन सी है इसके अंदर? 50वीं मतलब 50th फ्रीक्वेंसी किसकी है? 28 की है। तो 51st किसकी होगी? 29 की होगी। लाइक दैट। समझ आया आप तो? नाउ गॉट माय पॉइंट? यस और नो? up now got the point na, how to actually calculate these kind of stuff. If say this would have been written that this is class test marks of 101 students. How many students? 101. So you actually find the middle term for those 101 terms, right? So 1 2 3 till 50, then 51 is the middle, 52, then till 100, right? So 1 to 50 there are 50 terms. 52 to 100, 101, sorry, 100 not, this is 101. Okay, if this is 101, so this 51 would have been the middle term. Then simply we would check 51 is the frequency, cumulative frequency for what? 29. So our answer would have been 29. That this way you have to calculate. Okay, sorted. Okay sir, what is this? See, this means 28 is coming 24 times, 29 is coming 28 times, like that. Okay, okay, let's move forward to next question number 18. So its answer will be option number C. Okay. Now this question is actually worth 30 seconds. The probability of getting a composite number greater than 3 on throwing a die. This is a die. Okay, sir. So what is the total number of chances? Probability of getting a number. What kind of number? Composite number. Composite number. Composite number greater than 3. Greater than 3 would mean 3 say bada. Bigger than 3 will be something upon 6. And what are the numbers actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is the composite number greater than 3? 4 and 6. So there are two numbers, so 2 by 6. So 1 by 3 will be my answer. That's 1 by 3, option number B. Got it? So this is about 10-20 seconds. That's it. So this way actually you must average your timings. Okay, that we have to spare how much time onto one question. Okay, so 1 by 3 is the answer. Sorted. So what is the probability of getting an odd number? Obviously 3 by 6. Even number 3 by 6, right? Like, okay, so answer is 1 by 3. Sorted. Question number 19th we have to do. This is from standard paper, okay? Hmm. Assertion reason. Okay. Assertion reason. You must be knowing the options already, right? Question number 19. Assertion reason type. So assertion says for an acute angle theta, sin theta is 3 by 5, cos theta minus 4 by 5. First thing, for acute angle theta, this is true, but this is false. So overall it is a false statement. Value of cos theta cannot be negative. And for any value of theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, yes, it is true. Right? So we'll write assertion is false, okay, and reason is true. That means option number D. Option number D, according to the scene, assertion is false, reason R is true. Yes, option number D. 19, option number D is correct. Option number D is correct. Got the point? Any doubt? I think no doubt. No, A is not true, Akash. No, 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 no. How could this be correct? Cos theta can be 4 by 5, not minus 4 by 5, right? Cos theta cannot be negative. Cannot be negative for acute angle theta. Okay. All positive. You only have positive trigonometric ratios in your syllabus. Okay. So sorted. Question number 20th in front of you. About to come. Good question. This is good question, I must say, right? About all of the no doubts. Sorry, no doubts. No, 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 no doubts. Only the questions which I am giving, right? This is not a doubt class. Okay. Okay, let's move. Now, for an AP 369 till 198, 10th term from the end, 10th term from the end is equals to 168. Is it true? Let's check for reason first. If A and L are first terms, A and L are first and last terms, right? That means A is the first term, L is the last term of an AP with common difference D. Then nth term from the end is given by, yes, this is true. This is the formula that nth term from the end, you can use it directly, is directly L minus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula you must remember, right? Nth term from the end is L minus n minus 1 into D. So this is true. This is true, right? So reason is true. Now let's check for the assertion. Let's calculate the term. That means it will be L means last term 198 minus n minus 1. We actually do not know nth term from the end. So n will be 10th term. So 10 minus 1 into what is D? Common difference for this, it is 3. 6 minus 3. So it will be 198 minus 9 3s are 27. So it will be 171, right? So this is my answer, not 168. So this is false. This is false. Okay. So again, assertion is false, but reason is true. So option number D. Option number D for assertion reason types. Okay, these are standard options. Okay. Sorted, yes or no? Can we move forward? Title में तो लिखा है ask your doubts. Where is ask your doubts? Check with your two healthy eyes. Okay. Whatever. Let's move forward. So option will be D. So question number 20 done. Question number 21st. You must remember this formula, every one of you. Okay, L minus n minus 1 into D. Nth term from the end will be L minus n minus 1 into D, bracket n minus 1 into D, and n is what? The number of term from the end, 10th, 20th, 30th, whatever it is given. Okay, L minus n minus 1 into D, you can remember this directly. Next question, ready first. Section B, we are about to start. Question number 21st. Okay, section B. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Okay, this is the question. Read it. The cost of 2 kilogram apple and 1 kilogram of grape on a day was found to be rupees 320. The cost of 4 kilogram apple and 2 kilogram grape was found to be rupees 600. The cost of 1 kg of apple and 1 kg of grape are X and Y. Oh my god. So hard question, no? Respectively. Represent the given situation algebraically as a system of equations and check whether the system so obtained is consistent or not. Okay. 2 marks. You're not going to score easily, but you can. Okay. Now see. This is given the cost of 4 kilogram apple. We'll write 1 kilogram apple, 2 kilogram apple. It is given, right? So cost of 2 kg apple, right, plus 1 kg grapes, okay, equal to 320. This is one thing. Second is cost of 4 kg apple, 4 kg apple, 4 kilograms apple plus 2 kilogram grapes, 2 kg grape was found to be 600 rupees, 600. Okay. So if cost of 1 kilogram apple is X and 1 kilogram grape is Y, that means we'll write 2X plus 1Y equals to 320, right? And next you'll write 4X plus 2Y equals to 600. Now this is the representation. Now you have to check whether these equations form a consistent system or not. For consistent system of equations, what is the condition? You must actually check. And that's it for today. This is your homework. Copy it and we'll continue it from here only tomorrow. Okay, so that's it. You must copy and tell me in the comments whether this system is consistent or not. It is time for me to say goodbye. Good night. Take care. We'll meet you tomorrow, continuing from this part. Bye-bye.